I have been working for women and children for the past nearly 30 years. And that crime against children, despite us, India being a signatory to the rights of the child, 11th of December 1992, we have signed this, that we are going to protect our children, we are going to have systems in place to take care of our children. And despite that, we are still having abuse, sexual abuse of children, sexually exploiting children, otherwise also other forms of sexual abuse of children, and worst of all, the worst crime against a child is pornography, storage of pornography and sale of pornography for earning money and titillating the sexual impulses of perverted people. I think no child should be abused in this manner for whatever reason. In these things. What about the people who are aware of these things? I'm talking about the POCSO Act. It is mandated by the POCSO Act that photographers, studio people, media, or anybody who knows that a child is being abused has a bounden duty to report it. Why does it not get reported in Goa? And of late, Goa is getting a bad name for all sorts of illegalities. When the filming of the phonographic film star was being done in a secluded place, a private place in our land, we had objected. Why does it fall on deaf ears? Do social activists or people who are concerned for children have to scream their lungs out and nobody hears? Is it a voice in the wilderness? I am shocked when I heard about this, because we participated also in an agitation against Freddie Peets. And today, more than 20 years down the line, we have Freddie Peets growing, and this is two. One in some other place and one here. It was thanks to that man being arrested that this story came out. Otherwise, and is this the only story? I would like you to highlight the issue that this may not be the only story. There must be other stories linked to this type of behavior, and all pornographic filming, whether it be of adults or it be of children, should be banned in India, should be banned in Goa. Goa is such a beautiful place. It is not for turning it into a Sodom and Gomorrah. I think everyone who is concerned for the children of this country should take interest and see that this type of person is punished, not just punished by sending him to jail, but punished in such a way that he knows the harm he is causing to society, the harm he is causing to our children. POCSO Act says penetrative sex. There is all kinds of sex abuse of children, either by officers or by those keeping children in custody or whoever. Anybody who is in charge of children abuses them, it's a crime. Now this guy takes up a job in my land, in my state, and he abuses children here. I think government should hear this, government should get on to these people and stop it once and for all. No one who has, and the problem is anybody can come to Goa. Nobody checks their precedents or antecedents. They just come and set up home here, and they come, they buy land here, they are doing all kinds of wrong things here, and nobody is watching them because they are some kind of high class, influential people. I think a watch needs to be kept, a monitoring has to be done of all the people who come down to Goa. Their antecedents have to be checked, the precedents have to be checked if we want to curb the crime rate. Recently we had a murder. And for what reason a murder? Do you murder a man for loving somebody? If you are going to protect our children from sexual offences, then crucial bits of evidence is required. One is the medical. And I think children should be encouraged by the parents to go through a medical. Children who are 13, 14, 15, they're saying it's my boyfriend. And where is it said that a boyfriend can abuse you? sexually abuse you before. And if you're raped before marriage, what kind of marriage is it going to be? So there are issues where parenting also is important. Parents have to inculcate in their children values like we were taught. Values are important. Once there are no values, it's a free for all. And then what type of society are we promoting? Will there be rule of law? These are questions that bother me. And I think they should bother all of us because it's an important fact of life. So, please see that POCSO Act is strictly implemented in Goa.